Most people think that success is about working harder and harder every single day. They think they need more motivation or more willpower. But the truth is, most of us are actually fighting against ourselves without even knowing it. Imagine you are trying to drive a car with the parking brake on. You can step on the gas as hard as you want, but you aren't going to go very far, and you're going to burn out the engine. This video is about finding that parking brake and letting it go so your life can finally start moving forward easily. The first thing we have to look at is what I call hidden habits. These are the small things you do every day that drain your energy. For example, do you check your phone the very second you wake up? Most people do. When you do this, you are letting the whole world, the news, your emails, and social media tell you how to feel before you've even had a glass of water. You are starting your day in a reactive mode. You are reacting to other people instead of acting on your own goals. A simple tip to fix this is the 10-minute rule. For the first 10 minutes of your day, do not touch any electronics. Just breathe, stretch, or think about one thing you want to get done. This small change stops you from fighting a battle with the internet the moment you wake up. Another hidden habit is decision fatigue. This is a fancy way of saying that your brain gets tired of making choices. If you have to choose what to wear, what to eat for breakfast, and which route to take to work all within 30 minutes, you are using up your brain's battery before the real work even starts. This makes the rest of your day feel much harder. Look at a case study of a very successful person like Steve Jobs. He wore the same outfit every day, a black turtleneck and jeans. He didn't do this to be fashionable. He did it so he never had to waste energy choosing clothes. You don't have to wear a uniform, but you can simplify your life. Lay out your clothes the night before. Decide what you will eat for lunch on Sunday. When you stop making small, unimportant choices, you have more energy for the big ones. We also need to talk about the dopamine trap. Dopamine is the chemical in your brain that makes you feel good when you get a reward. In the past, humans got dopamine from finishing a hard task or finding food. Today, we get it every time we see a like on a photo or a notification on our phones. This is a problem because it makes your brain crave easy wins. When you have a hard project to do, your brain will try to talk you out of it so you can go get an easy hit of dopamine from your phone instead. This is why you feel like you can't focus. You aren't lazy. Your brain is just addicted to easy rewards. To fix this, you need to practice low-stress learning. Instead of scrolling through short, fast videos, try reading a book or listening to a calm podcast for 20 minutes. This retrains your brain to enjoy slower, more meaningful rewards. One of the biggest ways we fight ourselves is by trying to be perfect. Perfection is the enemy of progress. If you wait until everything is perfect before you start a project or a new hobby, you will never start. A great example of this is a student who wants to start a YouTube channel. They spend months researching cameras, lighting, and editing software, but they never actually record a video. Meanwhile, another student just picks up their phone and starts talking. A year later, the second student has a successful channel while the first one is still researching. The tip here is to follow the 70% rule. If you feel 70% ready, just start. You will learn more by doing the work than by thinking about it. Lastly, remember that your body is the machine that runs your life. If you aren't putting the right fuel in it, the machine will break down. If you eat junk food and don't sleep enough, every task will feel twice as hard. It's like trying to run a high-tech computer on a dying battery. You don't need a complex diet or a gym membership to start. Just drink more water and try to go to bed 30 minutes earlier. When your body feels good, your mind feels clear, and you stop fighting the urge to take a nap every afternoon. In summary, taking control of your life isn't about being a superhero. It's about being an architect. It's about looking at your daily routine and removing the things that make it difficult. Stop checking your phone first thing in the morning. Stop wasting energy on small choices. Stop chasing easy dopamine. Stop waiting for things to be perfect. And start taking care of your physical machine. When you do these things, you stop fighting yourself, and success starts to feel like a natural part of your day instead of a constant struggle. If you are ready to stop making life harder than it needs to be, and start building a better system, make sure to follow along with the rest of this series. Simpler, better, successful.